Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Lesson 13 SQL minimum and maximum function. The minimum function returns the smallest value of the selected columns. The maximum function returns the largest value of the selected columns. Main syntax or minimum syntax: select minimum column name from table name where conditions. Maximum or max syntax: select max column name from table name where conditions. Is simple for the table product. Minimum example: select minimum price as smallest price from products. This is the minimum price. Max example: this is the max price. So right now we already get this, so we will see the query select max price as largest price from products. So don't forget these two functions. It's very important if you use for your project or for any statistics it will be required from you in any project. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get the news for our lessons. Thank you. Bye.